little donkey. So I just got a package from Anthrocrane on YouTube. I discovered him early this month because he made this funny little Shay Carl video with these like funky puppets. Do you have eyeshadow on?
Yep.
Okay. So his real name is Matt. He's got the Matt in the Alley show,
yep.
And he was kind of to offer a puppet to make a Nalts puppet.
Yeah, he made a Nalts puppet.
Yeah. There's his logo. Does anybody want to get off the terminals?
Yep.
Dun 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 dun. Oh, he made one for Wife of Nalts too. I think. You open that one. Open that one. Careful, 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 careful.
Why'd you let the pig out? It's been ate my Twix bar and it ate all the stuff in that room.
Oh no.
Dad, it's gone now.
Oh no. It's me. Hi there, Charlie.
Dad.
Hi there, Nalts here. I have a little.
Nalts here.
I have a little more hair here. These puppets, they're puppinettes. Make him talk. It's an episode with our very special guest star, Grant.
Oh, yeah.
Look at Wife of Nalts. Look, she's got boobies.
Oh, dude, feel it. Look at little coconut. Dad, Nalts is eating my butt.
Okay, would you be gentle with it? Would you? I do not want to eat your butt. Not very tasty. All right, so let Charlie have a turn. I don't think we bite each other's lips. Is that all they can say? Yeah. Lift them up a little higher so I can see their bodies. Got the Nalts and Wife of Nalts Puppets.
Yeah, he's not in the car.
We're going with Rupert right now.
Can I pet him?
Yeah, he's very friendly.
Hi, Rupert.
He's grazing.
Hello. Oh, I know.
Can they talk? Can they talk? Normal? No.
Those are cool puppets.
Yeah, they're homemade. Oh, that looks really safe.
Hi.
Look, come see the Nalts puppet.
Oh!
Ah!
Risky!